So we are streaming. Yes. Yes, not. We are streaming, yeah. Suppose we're streaming. We are streaming. What are we looking at? What are we essentially, yeah. What are we looking at? Right, we are looking at woo baby. Right, so we are streaming, that is good. Let me pop on my chat and all that good stuff. Right, so and let me just get my links live and try sorting these things out. Give me a few minutes, allow me a few minutes, that's fine. I think there's someone knocking my door, just give me a few minutes. I'll try to sort it Right, so we have a major rejection on the 15 minute. 5 minute is looking weirdly. I mean, there's weird rejections, I would say. So yeah, I mean, let's just wait for some sort of structured form, which is hopefully going to form on the 15 minute. Oh shit! Look at that jump, man. That is mental. Man. That is mental. Wow. Right, so let's just. Oh, it could be. On the hourly time frame, it could be major bias, depending on how this zone essentially reacts. Depending on how this zone reacts, because it does make sense. It does make sense because the 30 minute is sort of okay. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see where this takes us, isn't it? So our bias is, I would argue, sells, right? I would argue it's sells, but let's just see where this takes us, in it. Could have been a very nice illustrate for you. Yeah, let me just get my links on and all that. Okay, my code. So this is, I mean, I was thinking that maybe I should start using a C trader to just analyze, because I think it's a lot easier considering the flexibility you have with the time frames and all that. So I was thinking I should just use C trader or something like that. But let me just try sorting my links out real quick. Mm, yeah, uh, I would rather not take a buy position. I would prefer sells happening. I would prefer 100% sells, because I think bias stuff is a bit on the bearish side. Right, I've got my links are posted. There we go. That's posted. Let me just get my kick link out real quick. Right. So it's out. Watch your kick. I'm not really focusing on kick too much. That's a real line. Let's see. I'm trying to get some videos out, and all of that stuff as well. Let's see. I mean, if the candle closes above this resistance, right? I'm quite tempted to take a buy because the hourly candle does suggest that this price action could clear this range out, which is around 200 pips, right? 200 pips, which is not a joke. It is not a joke, lads. It is not a joke. Nope. Yeah, let's see how these candles close because the hourly time frame is looking sort of confusing, to be honest. It is because if it does end up pushing above this side, this could essentially be a range, right? Which is more than 300 pips of a range. So I don't want to be. I don't want to feel like I'm missing out. I don't want to. I don't want to jump in just because I feel like I'm missing out either. Wait for. I think I'm gonna try prop trading in a few days as well because um, I think I'm gonna do better with prop trading as well. I think the case itself is very uh, different. It's very complex considering the fact that some live traders don't do very well on props. You know, some people they really fuck up on props. Yeah, man. Let me just pop this in. Let me join on with my mic and all that. There we go. That's fine. Right. So I'll be honest, I need to go take a shit. Okay. I'll be honest. Sorry for sorry. Right, we are looking at these links. We're gonna share my C trader view because I think personally, I think for analysis, C trader is slightly superior to TradingView because you've got so many tools and you've got so many just in general. I mean, you've got so many things happening that you can notice when it comes to trading and all that, you know. So I'm just waiting for someone to pop in a little bit. Right, so the hourly candle is sort of it's rejected the downside and it might keep on pushing up, right? It might just keep on pushing up. I think that's yeah. I think that could happen, but I need some sort of confirmation in order to jump in for that. You know, I need this 15-minute candle to close above this resistance level, right? I think a better way would be to just look at C Trader. You know, this is by the way a demo account which I've opened up at C Trader. This is a funded account, 25k funded account, which got closed by the way. So uh, Raja Banks. Raja Banks has a prop firm which is called Dominion Funding, right? It's amazing. Raja Banks is amazing. The only thing I do not like about his prop firm is the 1 minute rule, right? He does not have a consistency rule, and he says that consistency rule is made for people to lose and this and that, which I agree with. But then he has a 1 minute rule, which does not make sense, because some trades you hit your TP within a minute, and if you keep on doing that, they'll essentially just block your account. It's easy to avoid, right? It's easy to avoid. But say, for example, if you're losing, imagine the drawdown you could possibly fucking add to your account if you wait for a minute, because a lot can happen within a minute. A lot can happen. So it just doesn't make sense to me. The 1 minute rule that Raja Banks has. But apart from that, it's amazing. But prop firms, I was thinking, in fact, let's just look at funding pips, right? Let's just look at funding pips. Because wait, ask ChatGPT, what prop firms do we have available in Pakistan, right? Because I would say a majority of my viewers are from Pakistan. But prop firms, Pakistan. Right. Oh, hope my stream isn't lagging. Let's see. FTMO. Funding pips. I would personally, the only reason I'm sort of preferring funding pips is because it's very cheap, right? But I don't like the brokerage interface for funding pips. I don't really like it. I'll be honest. I think it's a very shit interface these guys have, essentially. It's very shit. Let's see what challenge options we have. Right, we have a few called for getting a few dollars off. Right, so that's 100,000, 566, which is reasonably cheap. I'll be honest, reasonably cheap. 322. Oh, we can pay crypto, which is amazing. I love that. Amazing. The USD, right? Does this change it? Oh, okay. Do we not have account in pounds? Oh, we do have an account. What, euros? Yeah, I would prefer dollars. I would actually prefer pounds, or they have a fucking Indian rupees account. Okay, that's funny. But so you've got GBP, which I prefer. Let me just stick to dollars because it's easier to calculate, isn't it? Right, do we have anything happening? This could be a buy, right, depending on the price action, depending on the volume, right? Yeah, I would rather I wait for some sort of confirmation on the 30-minute and the 15-minute time frame. Right, I would rather, yeah. The two-step, I think it takes too long. That's the only problem, for swap 3. Ooh. But I don't even swing trade, so I was actually thinking maybe. Ooh, they've changed the prices. I remember this used to be a lot cheaper. I've seen one that's cheaper than this. Do you know what I mean? Because let me just. So this one is. FTMO. Apex. Apex does not do Pakistan, isn't it? Yeah. Funded next. How was funded next? Let me check out prices and. Oh, we don't do futures now, do we? We do CFDs. Right, so I'm back. Let me see what options do we have. Right, get started. New string that reward every 5 business days. Wow, amazing. It is sort of. Ooh, this is cheap. This is cheap. That's nice. So, do we have a consistency rule though? Challenge rules, right? Use trading allowed. Type static. Maximum is 3%, which makes sense. I think if you lose more than 6%, it really doesn't make sense now, does it? Use trading profit. Ooh, right. So there we go. Max risk is 3% at any time. Max margin 70% at any time. But that shouldn't be right. Okay. Reward share up to 95%. Maximum loss limit. Right. So let me just go to the. Ooh, okay, 6K now. 15K. Let's look at that. It's 164. No minimum trading days. All right. So 10%, which is going to be 25K is actually not that bad, to be honest. Yeah, that is not that bad at all. I wouldn't mind trading this, but I would prefer a 50K, you know, because it really just makes it a lot easier. It makes it way easier. Need 25, right? Need to. This took me less than 250 dollars for a funded account. Yeah, I would 100% prefer this. Can I pay with crypto though? That is what I'm looking at, you know, that is what I'm looking at. So we just got 25K, which is 210. Ooh, so we've got cheaper accounts here. 50K is 322, which is not that far off. It's twice uh, capital. Do they accept crypto? Do they accept crypto? Right, we MD5 in it. 5 swap, so that's fine. 50K and stuff. Right. So no, we don't want. We want any of these. No, we don't want any of these. Forward. Just create an account. Oh right, that could be. I would rather wait for this kind of close about this resistance. Please do not keep on pushing up. I beg. I beg. Imagine it just keeps on pushing up for some reason. That would be so funny, man. Yeah, I think my brother's joined in it. Oh shit. Yo, Zen क्या ठीक हो? जनी आवाज आई?
हाँ मैं ठीक, तुम सुनाओ।
और ठीक ठाक मुझे नहीं था पता तुमने ज्वाइन किया मेरे पास
ये मैं वैसे भी क्या कहते हैं बात नहीं कर सकता ये क्वेश्चन के।
oh अच्छा ठीक so we have so I'm just looking at prop firms, right? I'm just looking at prop firms. I'm looking at this fucking price action. It could honestly it could keep on pushing up, but I'm just waiting for a candle closure above this resistance, you know, because we have new volume coming in that could keep on pushing the price up for a few pips and then keep on pushing down, you know. So that's the only thing I'm concerned with at the moment. But let's see how this kind of closes. Then maybe we could enter depending on the volume and all that, you know. I think I should not be streaming my email online, you know. Imagine someone hacks me. Alright, so I like this about funding pips. Oh, fuck. Chitra. I like this. Yeah, yeah. I think I would prefer this. Yeah, but let's just save that for when we actually trade and actually jump in. Ooh, it might keep on pushing up. We've only got 6 minutes. Come on, let's just wait for now. Let's just wait. I think that's a better option. Just wait. Yeah, no problem. We don't worry about missing out, right? We don't worry about any of that. Right, let's just wait for a hand close. Simple as that. Let's just wait for a closure. Only then am I actually gonna enter the money. Ooh, we've got volume kicking in. We've got volume kicking in, lads. It might just be. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, man. I can't really jump in like this. Come on, man. Please don't keep on pushing up. I'm gonna wait, man. I'm gonna wait. 4 minutes. A lot could happen in 4 minutes. Nah, nah. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, man. No problem. We wait for some sort of confirmation. You can't possibly clear out the whole fucking range within this time frame. It could be any. Could be any. Just gonna wait. I think it's better to analyze on CTrader compared to trading because you can see all the time frames at once. So I don't need to worry about being um, biased. That doesn't make sense. Because I can see all the time frames. So this is 1 hour time frame. This is 30 minutes. This is 15 minutes. So it really makes sense. So yeah. So let's just wait right now. 1 hour open. Come on, man. That's nice. I like this. I like this rejection. Come on, reject. But not totally reject because I need to enter. Please, please. I beg. I beg, man. I beg. We only got 2 minutes left. Come on. Yeah, I went to the gym. It was nice. Let's look at the news real quick, right? Got 1 minute till the candle opens up. Let's just look at Forex Factory. Don't even need to type it. Right, so today is no news because it's Monday. We don't have news on Monday usually. Let's look at tomorrow. We have consumer confidence, which is not that big of a deal. We have okay, so we have ooh, big thing. The chairman Walsh speaks. Wow, this could be big time sales coming in potentially, right? Thursday is uh, NFP, NFP, big man thing, big man thing, big man thing, NFP. So usually, it's on Friday, but this time it's on Thursday because we have a bank holiday on Friday, right? So it's the next thing I'm opened up. Let me go to the fucking MT5 real quick. That really just fucking gave me a stroke real quick, you know. I was trying to look at the kind of time frame and all that. Let's roll, come on. I need you to fucking break that high, man. So that is buys. We're looking for buys, people. We're looking for buys. I'm entering. We're in buys right now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. See some volume to the upside. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. So let me just mark the trade that I'm in right now, which is buys, which is this. Right, so stop loss goes around here, keep it around here. Let me just look for adding it to my position size. I could have opened a larger position, I'll be honest. There we go. Ooh, come on. We like that. We like that, yeah. Is there any bike here?
हाँ थोड़ा लेट किए लेकिन कर लिए.
Okay. जब ये टीपी हिट करता है ना तो फिर बस बाहर आ जाना ठीक है अपना stop loss रखो 4038 so stop loss is 4038 right now and oops smashed it I think it smashed the TP right now oh yeah I'm out big hugs bro I should have traded with fucking proper lot size could have been a lot of money यार कर लिया trade यार
हाँ कर लिया है, लेकिन क्या कहते हैं जितना बन सकता था उतना ही बना है, लेकिन क्या कहते हैं ये ऑब्वियसली मैं बताया था ना, उसकी वजह से नहीं बन
कितना बना?
रहा। 0.7 या 6 समथिंग।
0.7,
हाँ
0.7।
हाँ, नहीं
तुमने
मैंने क्या
कब
कहते हैं लेट एंटर की थी ना ट्रेड।
तुमने एंट्री कब किया है?
यार वो क्या कहते हैं मैं इसकी वर्कशीट चेक कर रहा था बच्चे की, तो
अच्छा
मैंने
चलो,
वो
कुछ नहीं,
की है, तो क्या कहते हैं
कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं,
ये
कुछ नहीं,
ट्रेड एंटर
कुछ
की।
नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं,
बोलो चेक।
कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता। It's all good. Right, so quick profits. We just move out now. Yeah, I think that's enough. That's enough. I'm done for the day. Taking my profits out. That was around 60, 65, 70 pips, roughly. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, 75 pips in fact. Yep, that's good. That's good, man. I should have, I should have opened up a larger lot size. I'll be honest. I really should have. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. Yeah, I should have opened up a larger lot size. Yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. Right. So we just take it easy now. Take it easy, my friend. Yeah, I'm done. Literally fucking 36 minutes. There is no point streaming because I've already taken my profits. So yeah, I mean, good stuff. Yeah, good stuff.